Hello students, so now we will go through the LP2 of 14th block. Lines of longitudes. Aim of this LP2, identify the importance of lines of longitude. Before we start students, take 2 minutes of time and get ready with your, in LP1 you have done a model na, or on the ball or on a paper plate, or you have drawn means on the paper sheet. No problem, take that one. Pencil, eraser, sharpener, volume 2, content book, these all things get ready with that. Okay, so now students, in the keywords which are included are meridian, longitude, international, date line. So students, in today's class we will draw the lines of longitude on the last class model only. Okay, how you have to draw means, see here, you have to draw the lines from the north of 90 degrees to south 90 degrees, right? So you can see here, like this you have to draw the line. You can see now, like this you have to draw the lines. It is clearly given in the picture. Draw like these lines. Okay, now the first middle line you can see, it is prime meridian. Okay, what it will do, it will divide the divide this part into east and west. Okay, the right side what you are seeing, it is east, and the left side it is west. Okay, now you this whole it is 360 degrees. Okay, so how many lines we can draw this longitudes means 360. Okay, how we can means, first one it is prime meridian. From the right you can take 30 degree, next 30 plus 30 how much, 60 degree, then 90 degree. Here you have to must write E. Here E what it indicates, east. Okay, then left side 30 degree west, 60 degree west, 90 degree west. Then same like back side of this one also, here still you have after 90 degree how much will come up? Do you know that? 90 plus 30, yes, 90 plus 30 it is 120 degree east, 140 degree east, then 160 degree east, then we have 180 degree east. Okay, like this we will write like this. Understood? So from this we have 360 degree we can draw the longitudes. Okay, so prime meridian it is, we will start from the 0 degree. Okay, now what you have to do, in the previous model you have drawn like this na? Now you have to draw like this. First prime meridian 0 degree, then 30 degree east, then 60 degree east. Okay, then another one draw neatly ma. Now then 90 degree east, same like this you have to draw and you have to label it, then it will appears like this. Okay, 30 degree, 60 degree, 90 degree, then here 30 degree west, 60 degree west, 90 degree west, and middle one it is prime meridian. So here students, right side it is eastern hemisphere, and west right side of the prime meridian it is eastern hemisphere, left side of the prime meridian it is western hemisphere. So why the meridian means, it is another name of the longitude. We can also call longitude or meridians. How we will call latitudes and parallel lines, same like that, longitudes and meridians. Understood? Why it is prime meridian means it is exact at the center. So back side of this, okay, back side of this exact line will appear. So how much it is? 180 degree. How much? 180 degree. See here you can see. Okay, so here we will not call it as prime meridian, It is international date line 180 degree east and west. Okay. So what is this international date line means? This is an imaginary line that we have created, and it is roughly follows the 180 degree. Okay, you can see here international. It is not straight, it is somewhat zigzag or roughly drawn. Okay, it is exactly opposite of the prime meridian. So backside of this international date line, what we can see? Prime meridian. Okay, 0 degree Celsius, which is okay. Now the 180 degree east and 180 degree west longitudes falls here only, right? Now exactly opposite to prime meridian. Countries which are in the eastern side, where is the east side, ma? Listen carefully, it is very important. Countries on these eastern sides, okay, these countries will be 1 day ahead of the countries, means the day will be 1 day first of the western part of the countries. Okay, why? Because do you know that because the eastern part will receive first sunlight, right or not? First it will receive the sunlight in the eastern part. Then how it will revolves? Earth rotation, you can see here sign. Here you can see the sign, earth rotation. First if it is receiving the sunlight here, then it will rotate. Then next western part will receive the sunlight. Understood? See example, I will show you. Now these are sun rays. Which part is getting the sun rays, ma? Eastern part. Now slowly it is rotating like this. In this direction it is rotating. Now east part will come here and western part will come here. Now which part will receive? Western part. So which part will receive first sunlight? Eastern part. So it is these countries will have 1 day ahead. Means example, if today it is 12, right? But in the eastern part it is 13th. Okay, 13th of November. Here it is 12th November. Understood? Like this it is totally dependent on this international date line. Okay, don't get confusion. If you understand, to avoid that confusion, because so many countries will have na, why it is not like prime meridian straight line, ma'am, means it is zigzag because some of the countries are coming. To avoid the confusion, because half country will have some time, half country will have another time, so it will create the confusion. So that it is avoiding that countries, it is like this have been drawn. So this is international date line. Now all of you open your 29 page number, write today's date. So what you have to do, first one, longitude. Okay, and paragraph here you can see sun rays are falling, diagram is given. So your model should be like this, ma, complete model. Okay, whatever you drawn on the maybe on the plastic ball, maybe on a plastic paper plate, or you have drawn on the paper. Your model should be like this: north pole, south pole, east west direction, prime meridian, equator, and these numbers north and south, everything should be drawn. Okay, now what you have to do means A. Where is the A point here? You can see the A point here. Now which longitude it will be? So how much longitude? 60 degree west. That you have to write 60 degree. Which longitude? 60 degree west. Now what is this second hemisphere? Which hemisphere will come? This is western hemisphere. This is eastern hemisphere. So which one will be? Western hemisphere. Next, whether it is a day of time of the day. Which one? Morning or noon or night. So you can see the rays are coming here. So this part will be daytime, this part will be night time, and this middle will be noon. So like this, understand this one and write. Then after completing this, I will send the answers, but please write your own answer and recheck that one. Okay, see here you can see the example. This is an international date line. So whatever the countries are here na, on this side eastern part, they are one day means 24 hours ago ahead from these countries. Understood? Like this, it is very important to understand the international date line. So here we have completed 2 LPs of today. Tomorrow we will go through the LP3 and LP4. So whatever the question answers I am giving in the group, write neatly. Okay.